Hey, this is Eileen Fernandez Parker from Cultivating the Learning. In this episode, I'm going to do the reverse of the last episode, which is I'm going to take the first and last name that I have and I am going to merge it into a column to create an email. So the first thing we're going to need to do is insert a column so that I have room to put the email. I'm going to stretch it out because it's going to be lengthy. The formula for this starts out with, the basic formula is equals. I'm going to click on the first cell that I want to show up, and I have to use an ampersand and then the second cell. And when I hit enter, it's showing me right now that it says Emily Elliott, but there's no space there. So that means that I have to actually tell the computer, because remember, computers can only do what I tell it to do, well, without AI. So I need it to be A2 and a space and B2. So to get the space in, I have to put quotes, and then I have to hit the space bar, and then I have to hit an additional quote. So that's just for the space between the names. Now I have to add another ampersand, and I like the way this looks. Now it's Emily space Elliott. So when I hit enter, you can see that. Now, I could add another column and put the Charleston email extension, and then I could put another column and I could merge the two of them. Or I could just do it all right here, which I'm going to do. So I'm going to double click to get into my formula. I'm going to add another ampersand, and I'm going to do the quotes, and I'm going to do the email. I'm going to put the email extension. Oh, I need the @ symbol here as well. And now for this email, I actually don't need a space. I need an underscore. So I'm going to go back to where right here where I had the space, and I'm going to insert an underscore instead. And now I can right here, my sample is telling me that it's Emily underscore Elliott at charleston.k12.sc.us. When I hit enter, now instead of having to do that 200 times, I can put my cursor over this blue square in the bottom right-hand corner. If I double click on that, it will automatically copy down for every single one, as long as there is something in column B. So now they're all done. If this was helpful, please click the thumbs up below the video.